Natatamaan po si Arthur Villanueva. And then bibitaw siya dito ng isa. I-upload ko to. Tapos nasa na ba yung right hand? Ayan! Bumaksak! So, I'm doing my live commentary. Shoutout po, unexpected. And I just want to give a big shoutout to Blow by Blow. I'll be there in Vegan. But ito pa yung nangyari dito po sa laban na ito. So, Arthur Villanueva, maganda naman ang pinapakita niya. But he was knocked down twice in the 4th round. Yung isa hindi sinasadya. Round number 4, napaload siya. Medyo mababa yung kanyang lean. Tapos na out of balance siya. So, that was the 10-7 round. So, naghahabol na po na naghahabol si Arthur Villanueva throughout the round. Pero 7-8, ang ganda na pinapakita niya. Naaalog niya pa nga yung kalaban niya eh. Unfortunately, itong round na ito, which is the 9th round or the 10th round, na bumigay yung kamay ni Arthur Villanueva, nasaktan. So it looks like he got injured or something. It's not that clear, pero napaluhod po siya at yung kita mo yung mukha niya na iniinday niya talaga yung kamay niya, which prompted the referee to stop the fight, and that's why the fight was stopped, and it is naging technical knockout. So talo po tayo, but Arthur Villanueva did his best. Talaga lang hindi po tayo pinala doon. Together with Arthur Villanueva, kasama niya po si Justin Fortune, si Marvin Somodio. And just so you know guys, medyo hindi po ganun ka-kompleto rin ng training camp dito ni Arthur Villanueva. So medyo that could be it, no? Ayan na, ini-introduce na yung panalo. Pero good fight pa rin para kay Arthur. Ngayon, eto nga lang, no? Arthur Villanueva has 3 defeats in a row. Si Elijah Pierce, si Saul Sanchez, and now it's Brian Mercado. So he might need to reconsider kung anong gagawin niya in the future. Kung siya ba ay magpapatuloy, sabi niya sa akin, this could be potentially his last fight. And we don't know afterwards. But maganda naman yung again, palaban naman siya. He would have given himself a chance. But hindi po basta-basta yung kalaban niya. Hindi po yung comeback fight. It is really a hard fight para kay Arthur Villanueva. But congratulations para kay Brian Mercado, na talagang iba talaga. I hope to see more of Brian Mercado. He has the skills, may haba siya, and marunong gumamit ng jabs, at hindi niya pinahiya yung Mexico. But for the Filipino, better luck next time na lang po. Ano po masasabi nyo sa dapat next move ni Arthur Villanueva? So ayun, salamat guys. Woo!